Hi and welcome back to Soul Art, and thank you for joining me on my floored art journey. Today I'm going to be doing a ribbon pour. This is going to be a little different from the last ribbon pour video I did. I'm not pouring the colours into a cup. I'm going to be pouring them directly onto the canvas this time, because I want each individual colour to be able to have its own space on the canvas. And the colour palette that I'm using is the same as the previous video of Warm Chaos, because in my last one some of the colours actually didn't get a chance to shine through, like the metallic yellow and the bronze, and with this technique all the different colours will get a chance to shine, and that's my plan. So stay tuned to see how this is going to turn out. Let's get pouring and make a creation as unique as you. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, this is the painting from my previous one. I didn't quite like it, so I'm going to go over it. Left the lids on because I want to do thin and thick ribbons across the canvas. closer look. Well, I wanted the colours to each have its little space on the canvas, which is what this has done. Looking forward to seeing how it dries. Alright, we'll be back soon and see what the dried results look like. Here is the dried result of my ribbon pour. Well, the colours definitely stand out a bit more on their own. I can see the little bit of mixing in the middle. But unfortunately, it hasn't dried the best. You see some of those, the crazing, and there's a bit of cracking. And it hasn't dried as smoothly like these side and edges bit has. Unfortunately, it's probably mainly because of the weather. It's really cold and I left it in the garage thinking it would be okay, and it's not. There's not much I can do about that. I'm just going to have to sand that middle bit and maybe redo it. I think besides that, it's actually turned out quite well. I do like the way the colours individually stand out. Anyway, tell me what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching. God bless and see you in the next one.